Taiwan is a small but highly industrialized island nation off the eastern coast of mainland China. Taipei, the country's capital city, is home to nearly 3 million people. In the heart of this large city, the Adventist Church operates the Taiwan Adventist Hospital, Songshan Adventist Church, a media studio, a publishing house, and an urban center of influence, all on the same block. The Urban Center of Influence is the newest addition. It was started in 2015, thanks to your contributions to the 13th Sabbath offering. Helen Yen lives in Taipei. Through a connection with the hospital, she began volunteering at the Adventist Center of Influence established on the first floor beneath the church. She always wanted to serve the community and became one of the center's few founding volunteers. At this center, the church offers classes on Alzheimer's disease, a major challenge in the community. Locals can also enroll in cooking, health, and exercise courses. During the week, about 70 people attend the Alzheimer's classes alone. Through music and interactive activities, Alzheimer's patients and their families find ways to cope with this progressive disease. The center's nutrition and cooking classes are also making an impact. People from all backgrounds value the Seventh-day Adventist outlook on health and wholeness. So far, some 400 people have visited Taipei's Adventist Church through the influence of this center. Helen was also personally impacted by the activities here. Volunteering gave her a new sense of fulfillment and joy. She began to visit the center on weekdays and was soon attending Bible classes led by Brenda, the center coordinator. Helen studied about the sacredness of the seventh-day Sabbath for the first time. Her life began to change, and she wanted to share the truth she found with everyone.
I like to come here every day. I just want to use myself, my only self, my language, touch the people, connect the people. I will think I can use the words in the Bible's truth and let them know I'm a Christian.
Helen continues to serve at the center and is preparing for baptism. She is one of the first fruits of a successful ministry that began in 2015. This center started because of Adventist members' generous contributions through the 13th Sabbath offering. Once again, a portion of this quarter's 13th Sabbath offering will expand the Taipei Center of Influence as well as help build 2 more centers in Taiwan. It will also benefit projects in China, Mongolia, Japan, and South Korea. Please pray that God will bless the Northern Asia-Pacific region through our contributions this quarter.
I am an elementary teacher, and I have been working here from the beginning of this school. Since I started, the school has been growing rapidly, and many things have changed, many students have come, and the number of teachers increased. There are many schools in the city, but we are fortunate to receive special recognition because we are giving the children a Seventh-day Adventist education. And I believe God sends us the right children that He wants to bless.
About 3 years ago, Teskal Adventist School in Mongolia's capital city of Ulaanbaatar received a portion of the 13th Sabbath offering. The offering was collected to expand the school's ministry. At the time, there were only a few classrooms that could each fit a maximum of 6 students. When the school received the 13th Sabbath offering funds, they quickly put the money to work. The school added more grades, and new Adventist teachers joined the faculty. Classrooms with enough space for 20 or more students each were built. Additional blessings include a library to inspire the students and a cafeteria that serves daily lunch to students and staff. They are very proud of the new facilities and are grateful for the contributions received from all around the world. As the school expanded, its enrollment skyrocketed. Many students from around the community wanted to attend Teskal. In the 5th grade class, one girl feels especially privileged to study here. She is one of Ishimeg's students. She lives in an orphanage in the city, and she came to Teskal from a public school.
When she attended the public school, she was mocked and bullied. This caused her to withdraw from other children, and her hard life was made even harder. But when she arrived at our school, she found peace and self-confidence. She has made friends now, and her guardian is grateful. Stories like this are common in all of our classes. I can see God is working, and this school is fulfilling its mission.
Today, 144 students from kindergarten to 12th grade attend Tuscal Adventist School. Most of these students come from non-Adventist families. This quarter's 13th Sabbath offering will once again support the school's expansion. The leadership plans to build a boarding academy for grades 9 through 12. This is a golden opportunity for the emerging Adventist church in Mongolia to connect with the community. Please pray for the 13th Sabbath offering this quarter. It will help Tuscal Adventist School expand, as well as help construct urban centers of influence in China, Taiwan, and South Korea, and a youth training center in Japan. Thank you for your support of the mission offerings.